Hello. Before you can work with macsRemote, you have to first register online. For the registration, you simply scan the QR code, preferably with a tablet, or you go to the website via the browser. Fill in all the boxes. This information is required by Hella Goodman to configure macsRemote services for you. Agree to the order processing agreement and send the registration to Hella Goodman. Hella Goodman will now configure macsRemote services for your device. When the configuration is complete, you will receive an email. In the email, click on this link. In the window, the email address of your registration is already filled in. Send the request and you will receive a second email. Via the link in the second email, you create your own password. Then you go to the website of macsRemote services and log in. Now you can see your device and the device number. To work with the device, you have to first connect it to the internet via Wi-Fi or LAN. I will demonstrate how this is done in another video. Enjoy working with macsRemote services. Thank you for watching.